guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my base cream. The base cream is a foundation of any cream. Like what for us that do organic, this is like our foundation before we start adding powders, oils. This is a cream. This is actually a lotion as it is. So I'm doing this video because someone said she wanted something like not whitening. I've done base cream video of whitening, like whitening base cream, but this one is just plain. You can take from here and then create your own stuff. So you can create children, adults, anybody can create it from here. Yeah, there's no lightening agent or anything inside this one. This one is just plain. So if you're new, please like, share and subscribe. Guys, please don't forget to like, okay? It makes me know that you guys really like my video and I'm super grateful. And we are in 500 subscribers. I'm truly grateful to all of you. May God bless you. So you want to see how I made this can you see that? Very beautiful cream or base cream. Let's get into the video. Bye. Stay tuned. So all we're going to be needing is our e-wax. We're using 1 cup of e-wax. So I'm actually going to put I know the measurement I want in my head. And you can always do it to like stop. So you get. And then that's our e-wax. This is our Sterling alcohol. I'm still going to be adding. I have another one there. So this is another one here. I'm just going to be adding a little bit. How did I open it? Okay. Oh, I don't want too much. And then my stearic acid actually like tied it so that it won't get bad. So I'm going to put it in. It's going to be difficult for me. I'm going to put it in here and then I'll come back. So I've added it in, as you can see. So if you want to do like a measurement, like me, I know what I want, so that's why this is not the first time I'm doing it. You can use 1 cup of e-wax, 1 cup of stearic, and then ½ cup of Sterling alcohol. Either way, you can do everything 1 cup. Sure you understand. And this one is going to give me a really huge amount, maybe like amount to fill 4, depending on how light, 500 ml or so. The reason I'm doing this video is because someone said my previous video I did the one for lightening body base cream. So this one you can actually use any skin. You can use it for anything. If you want to just make lightening cream or hot chocolate or kids, anyone, this is just the best to do. You make it down and then let me put this, and then you add your oils or whatever you want to use. So yeah, I'm going to be using my coconut oil. This is 100 ml. And my 100 ml. I have other oils, but I want to add it like after. So yeah, I have shea butter. I'm going to be using this small. And then I have here my cocoa butter. It's actually not necessary to put cocoa butter. I just love cocoa butter. Cocoa butter makes it thick. Cocoa butter makes it creamy. And then there's this this thing cocoa butter does, like, it glows the skin. My customers, they were like, I noticed there's something different about this cream, about the last cream I made. I was like, yeah, I didn't put cocoa butter because cocoa butter is so strong. I'm trying to break it. I didn't put cocoa butter because I did not want it to, like, to me it makes someone sweat, and then it makes the cream like way too thick for me. Oh, this is so hard to pick. This is too much. But let's just put it. Anyway guys, so basically this is it, and then this is my distilled water over here. So I'm going to put them on the fire. Let me show you guys. So it's melting. If I go close, can you see it? If I go close, the steam is going to like cover the camera. But as you can see, it's already melting. So I put them so they can be in the same temperature. So I think my cocoa butter is not melted. So difficult. So I'm going to leave it to melt, and then I'll show you guys. As it has melted, you can see everything is melted now. And this is my water. So I'm going to take them out and let you guys see. This is our melted oils and butter, and this is our water. So I'm going to turn our water in the oil solution. You can do it whichever way you want. I'm going to transfer it from here later because it's still going to be very thick. So at this point, you start blending. Let me not lie to you guys, like, I hardly blend at this point. That cocoa butter is going to make this thing like really thick. So I always like it to be. Very soon I'll transfer it from here into somewhere bigger because I'm going to need something big. It's going to be extremely thick. So if you want this thing to cool off like real fast, you can put water in something like this, and just something like this. Put water here and then put your this thing. It's going to get thick like real fast, real fast. So for those that have blender or mixer, you just keep on like mixing. So you keep on mixing. What am I saying, mixing? Sorry guys, it's one of those days that I'm not really that happy. So I'm going to show you guys when it's all thick. So when it's actually kind of warm, I'm not going to add my preservative, but I'm going to be using Gamma Plus preservative. I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil as well. So that's basically your base cream. So this base cream you can use for anything you want to, for kids, if you want to mix up cars, lightning, hot chocolate, anything you want to use it for, you can use it. So I'm going to show you guys when it's thick, and I'm not going to add my Gamma Plus because I know I'm still going to be adding more warm distilled water because I don't want it that very thick. Sure you get. If you have rose water, better, but most people don't really like rose water in their, people react to so many things. So, like, lots of people react to so many things. You'll be shocked to know what people react to. See it? It's not even that watery again. So I'm going to show you guys, okay? This is going to get like really thick again. But for those, I think this is the right temperature. When you see warm, you can add your preservative, and then for those that want to use like this, that don't want to touch their skin at all, just put carrot seed essential oil, jojoba. You can add jojoba oil for that is to glow your skin, and then you can add maybe lavender essential oil, just some, depending on how much, you just put some drops, and then you're good to go. That's for those that don't want to tamper with their skin, that just want their skin like that. Yeah, you can add sandalwood oil. This is going to be thick, it's going to get thick, so you add your vitamin E oil and glycerin and your preservative. That's basically it, but this one is going to actually get thicker than this. And this is a lotion I'm making, and I don't need it to be this thick. So this is our lotion. It's actually white. I was using flash so you can see. It's going to be very thick. It's going to be thicker than this. So with this you can create any other thing you want to create, and basically this is just a cream. My hands are sanitized, so don't worry. See it? Very moisturizing. Bye guys.